Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my deep dish pizza recipe. I modeled this after the Chicago style pizza with a few modifications here and there to create a low carb version of a classic Chicago pizza without all the carbs. Let's get started. We'll begin with the crust by adding some ground pork rinds to a mixing bowl, followed by some grated Parmesan cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, some salt, Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, and finally 4 lightly beaten eggs. Mix with your hands to fully combine. Lightly oil a 9-inch non-stick cake pan. Be sure to get the sides as well. Add the crust mixture into the pan. Use your hands and gently push and spread the dough. Try to get this as evenly distributed as possible, even up the sides. This may take a few minutes, but this dough is very easy to work with. Place this in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Remove and let cool just a bit. You'll notice the hot air has puffed it up in the center. Just poke a couple of vent holes to allow the air to escape. Dab the crust with a paper towel to remove any excess oil. Place 5 slices of mozzarella cheese on the bottom of the crust so that it covers the entire bottom. Add 6 ounces of pre-cooked mild Italian sausage over the sliced mozzarella. The classic recipe uses raw sausage, but by using it pre-cooked will fractionalize the cooking time and also reduce the oiliness. Layer some pepperoni slices over the sausage. Now evenly distribute some shredded mozzarella over the top. Add 1 cup of my marinara sauce. I'll have a link in the description below for that recipe. Use the back of a spoon to evenly distribute. Top the sauce with some shredded Parmesan cheese. Now finally we'll add a dusting of some dried basil. Place back in the oven and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Remove and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the cheese to set. Add to a plate, dust with a little more basil, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my deep dish pizza recipe. All the flavors of the Chicago style classic pizza without all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.